my creative friends. I'm Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and welcome to your October 2025 Cultivated Creativity Sneak Peek. Yes, the September kit sold out completely, but if you're already subscribed, your spot's safe, and your October kit is reserved for you. That's one of the special perks of being part of this community. You never miss out, even when the kits fill up. Now, this month, we're featuring the Traditional Labels Bundle from Stampin' Up's Holiday Mini Catalog. It's part of the Beautiful Traditions of Christmas suite with elegant labels, dies, and a coordinating stamp set that makes holiday crafting effortless and timeless. With your October kit, you'll be creating 4 stunning cards plus a fabulous little giftable project, all designed with a traditional color palette and perfect for making multiples. These projects make it easy to get ahead of your holiday card list while still enjoying the fun of creating. And yes, we've tucked in a little surprise this month too. You want to see? We have got lovely scoring details on each of these fantastic projects. This one's a fun fold. I'm not going to show you the insides. We do add special touches to the insides of each of the projects as well, because that makes them special, right? So we got this one here. And last but not least, our Not a Card. Love, 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 love. Love those. Love, love, love. So you do have the option to add on the Traditional Labels bundle at retail price, saving you on shipping and tax. So I'll tuck it right into your kit. And if you'd like to take your crafting even further, the Christmas Greenery Bundle, which is a coordinating set to this suite, can also be included. I've included some pre-die cut pieces in the kit, but owning that full bundle will give you freedom to create even more beautiful layers and accents. Now, if you're not creating Christmas cards this year, not a problem. If you flip the pattern papers over, you can create plaid, stripe, dot designs that work for all occasions. You could pair them with the Celebrate the Miracle bundle for Hanukkah, or even a birthday celebration set for seasonal birthdays. Thanks so much for joining me for the October sneak peek. I can't wait to see you dive into your kits. It's going to make holiday crafting a joy. Thank you for being part of this special community. You're going to absolutely love creating with these projects. And if you're not already part of the Cultivated Creativity program, be sure to join the wait list so you're the first to know when limited spots open up again. Until next time, keep creating and spreading joy. Bye for now.